Gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung nakita niyo.
Well, basically, we saw the same thing. Zach was on fire. What more do you want from me?
You're such an embarrassment! Bakit mo ginawa yun? Anong katangahan mo na yun?
Dahil sa katangahan mo, people are canceling me now.
Si Coach Zach, siya yung nagkalat ng video mo. May galit ba sa'yo si Coach para siraan ka niya ng ganito?
You know what? I have more important things to do than help you solve this stupid crime.
Love for money is the root of all evil. Kalokohan. Losers lang ang naniniwala dyan eh. Mga walang pera. Because money is power.
Money makes the world go around. But if there's one thing money can't buy, it's life.
Baka nauho ka.
Oh, it's okay, Inspector. I have my own. I always make sure to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Makes my skin glow. By the way, Inspector, I know my rights. Did I mention a while ago that I'm studying law?
Yung tungkol sa sunog.
Res est paliquitir. That is Latin for the thing speaks for itself. Nagkaroon ng sunog sa gym, nadamay si Zach. That's all I know.
So yun guys, I really believe na you guys have to keep very organized kasi sa dami ng digests na kailangan natin gawin, we really need to stay on top of it. So guys, if kaya niyong mag-Excel sheet or anything like that, that's my tip. And of course, Pomodoro. Yes. Alright, so let's read some comments and see who wants to be shouted out. Hello, Carl Wise. Hello, how are you? And oh my gosh, Coach Zach is online. Hello, Coach Zach, and welcome to the stream. Sabi ni Coach Zach, my watch is on fire. Mine na daw. Nako, Coach Zach, thank you so much for noticing my watch. But unfortunately, it is not for sale kasi pinamana sa akin to ng daddy ko. So very priceless ito. And speaking of expensive watches, our question for today is it illegal to buy fake luxury items? Well, according to our law books, it is not illegal to wear knockoffs and buy knockoffs. Ang illegal ay ang pagbebenta. So, if ikaw ang nagbebenta, ikaw ang pwedeng kasuhan. So, it's not technically illegal, but in my opinion, I think that we should just support original products, and I really don't believe that we should be buying fake items. So that is my advice for today. And of course, don't forget to continue supporting your law school girls. See you guys next time, and case closed. Hello, everyone.
Hi!
Hello po.
Come on, let's eat.
Okay, best. Thank you.
Yan na.
Thank you, Tito.
Kumain ka na maayos ha, kumain ka na marami ha. Nakapumayat ka at binili ka naman sa akin ng tabi mo.
Finally, how is Charlie? Punta ba siya sa wedding ni Amelie?
Well, Tita, he said he'll try daw po. Sobrang busy daw po kasi talaga nila ngayon sa Dubai. As in, sobrang dami po nilang ginagawang building ngayon.
Grabe. Yung si Charlie talaga pang global talaga yun. Alam mo na nasa frat pa kami. Yung dream niya yung conquer the world talaga.
Pa, your business is also good. I mean, big deal na ngayon ang solar panels and renewable energy. You're supporting the fight against climate change. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I miss Dad tuloy.
Pwede po kain ng
Oh! Okay, yes, of course, sure. Naku, are you guys hungry na ba? Here is 200, ha? Para may pang soft drinks ka pa. If gusto mo ng soft drinks, okay?
Aking bagay ng medal.
Okay, here. Okay, mag-aral kayo mabuti, ha? Oh, hi. Okay.
Thank you po.
So, Papi.
Thank you po.
Ay, thank you po. You guys study well, okay?
Salamat po.
Okay, ingat. Ay,
Miss.
ay.
Miss.
Kuya, I'm so sorry. Wala na akong cash. Gusto niyo online lang.
Hindi ko ako pulube. Waiter ko ako dito.
Oh, hi, Kuya Waiter. Hello.
Yana. Gabo. Anak ako ni Mang Lito. Yung driver niyo noon.
Oh. Oh, I'm just really so sorry. I don't think I remember. Yes? Oh, hi guys! Hello. You guys are here na pala. Hello. Fred ba? Fred po? Oh, no, he's the waiter here sa restaurant. We just ran into each other here. Kuya, speaking of, okay lang po if we can get a table for you.
Sige, ma'am. Table for 3, ma'am.
Apo.
Sige po.
Okay. Thank you.
Kala ko friend mo yun.
So not you. Wala namang mali if he has a friend na waiter. He looks nice.
Yeah, but I mean like, it's Yana we're talking about. Okay, remember nung college tayo, when she entered the pep squad, wala kaya siyang kinakausap nun, wala siyang friends.
Papi naman yung walang friends. Alam mo, Dad just told me to be careful with the people I choose to be friends with.
Yeah, well, I guess you chose the right people.
Perfect.
Not like that.
Waiter.
No, this is mine. Yes, I can do that.
Sige.
Hey, yes. Ay, naku, Yana. Ako na. Okay, first sign and smile. Oh my gosh, guys. By the way, pinakita sa akin ni Dad, grabe, Dubai is straight up unreal. As in, pinakita niya sa akin yung site kung saan sila nagpapagawa ng mga buildings.
Yeah?
Gosh, it's so pretty.
Do you plan to visit?
Ang ganda ng place. As in, shopping. Ang sarap.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You know what I'm most excited about? Alam niyo yung chocolate sa
Yeah.
Dubai? David, all of the brands are there.
Ma'am, baka ho may iba kayong card dyan. 3 beses na ho na-decline yung card niyo eh.
Can you try again? Baka naman nagkamali ka lang.
Yan, did you really pay for your credit card?
Of course I did. Hey, my card is connected to my dad's CC, okay? I just used it last week. It works perfectly fine. Okay, can you please try again? Baka naman yung bar niyo yung may mali.
Wala akong abere sa ibang customer. Tanging sa card nyo lang ho nagkaganito. Pero sabi nyo, nabayaran nyo.
Teka lang ha, parang nakakasend kasi ako ng philosopher. Are you judging me?
Hindi ho ako judge, ma'am. Waiter po ako.
So nagbibiro ka pa talaga at this point? What kind of service is this here? Bakit ka Oh my God, that's so disrespectful!
Here.
Hey, no. Hey, my card works perfectly.
It's okay, just use my card.
Kakasimula pa lang ng SEM, ah. Na-max out mo na naman ang credit card mo?
Dad, bumili ako ng bagong bag, okay? It's for school.
Matuto ka naman magtipid. Ano ba akala mo? Pinupulot ko lang ang pera dito sa Dubai? Sinasay mo lang sa mga walang kwentang pinaghihirapan ko dito, eh.
You promised me, Dad, na ever since Mom passed, hindi niyo sa akin ipaparamdam na may kulang sa buhay ko. Tapos ganito, Dad.
Yana, iba ito. By now, dapat marunong ka na mag-budget. Look, I'll send you your allowance. Kung kulang, ikaw nang bahala gumawa ng paraan.
$500,000 for this 1995 gold on the Latin watch. G?
300,000.
300,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind. Enjoy your smartwatch, okay? I'll go find someone who can actually afford this timepiece.
Wait. 400,000. Yeah?
450,000. Cash.
Okay, sold.
Deal?
Deal.
It's nice, right?
I like it.
Na-decline daw yung card ni Yana. My God, maybe the rumors are true.
What rumors?
Nung bata pa kayo ni Yana, lumapit sa akin yung mommy niya. She was borrowing 200,000, 300,000. Ako malaki pa yun noon.
Really?
Well, for grocery and bills daw.
Wait, they have this huge mango farm in Zambales, di ba? So, ba't siya mangungutang?
Hindi ko na nga siya nabalikan. Sad kasi namatay na siya. Ang sabi, she died of accidental overdose on sleeping pills. Pero ang chismis, she committed suicide dahil naghihirap na raw sila.
Oh my. That must be traumatizing. Well, I'm happy that Yana's here with us now. Maalagaan natin siya. We need to protect her.
Hello, Tita! Hi, bestie!
Hi.
Okay. By the way, I wanted to give you something. That's for the food last time. And my dad says sorry kasi na later yung papasok ng allowance sa akin.
Sobra to.
Oh, the rest is for Tita Marga. Tita, kasi napansin ko po na the maids, bumibili po sila palagi ng regular milk. Pero I prefer po kasi yung almond and cashew. Cashew po sana.
Wow. Well. Looks like someone chose to indulge in some extravagance.
Dapat. Tita, this is not extravagance. Okay? This is just how Daddy shows his love for you.
One more round? Wait. Ano ba tayo? Wait, where's that girl? I ordered post-workout food sa kanya. She's not yet here. I told her to meet us here.
Sino? Hello? Sorry, late na ako.
Hi!
Isn't that the girl from the viral video? Diba, kailangan to ay i-book internet?
Okay na kayo? Well, she reached out. Nag-sorry na rin ako sa nagawa ko. And to be even, nag-order ako ng herbs ako.
Ano naririnig ko po kayo?
Well, at least all's well that ends well.
Ito na po yung pagkain niyo.
Ay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait, alam mo, sumama ka na lang sa amin. Join us. Yeah, join us. I mean, okay lang naman sa inyo if Sugar joins us, right? Yeah?
Well, if it's a yes from the both of you, then it's a yes for me.
Okay, great.
Saan niyo gusto kumain? Anak niya.
Hey, may nakita akong ano dun eh. Okay, halika na tayo. Let's go!
Violet!
Fireworks!
Wow!
I miss my dad. Alam niyo ba, sabi sa akin ng dad ko na every time I see fireworks, kailangan kong mag-wish.
Anong wish mo?
Na sana makauwi na siya. So that I won't be so alone anymore.
But you're not alone, Yana. I'm here. We're all here for you.
I know, pero iba pa rin when he's here eh. I mean, no bag or shoes can ever replace that. So, I miss him.
Why is that calling you?
Oh, he's just discussing some contract with me. He's just consulting me with something.
Yana, just be careful with him, okay?
Okay. I'll just make this.
Okay.
Hello? Oh my God!
Check ko sa appraiser yung watch ng daddy mo. 8 ang original serial number ng Romanati. Sobra ito ng 2!
Oh my God, can you calm down? What are you talking about? Can I see? Oh my... Zach!
Balik mo yan sa daddy mo. Ibalik mo sa akin yung pera ko!
Wait lang, okay? There must be some mistake. This is a rare item, okay? Ang tagal na nito sa dad ko. Bata pa lang ako sinusuot na
Wala
dito.
akong pakialam sino sinungaling. Ikaw yung appraiser. Asan yung pera?
It's gone. I don't have it.
How could you lose all the money in just a week?
I paid my credit card and then the rest, I just treated myself to some me time. I mean...
I want my money back! Wala akong pakialam kung paano mo ako mababayaran. Wala akong pakialam kahit ibenta mo yung kidney mo. Gawin mo yun! Yana, you don't want to be on my bad side.
Please pick up. Please. Dad! Dad, the watch you gave me is fake?
Binigay ko yan sa'yo para ma-inspire ka. Binili ko yan nung unang beses akong ma-promote sa trabaho. Reminder ko yan sa sarili ko na may patutunguhan lahat ng paghihirap ko.
So fake nga po yung watch. Is it really fake, Dad?
Ano bang mas mahalaga sa'yo? Yung presyo niyan o yung sentimental value?
Dad, I need to pay Zach back. Okay, I really need to pay him back.
Wala akong ganong klaseng pera. Ibalik mo na lang yung binayad sa'yo.
Dad, ubus na. Okay, Dad, wala na. I really need it, Dad, please.
You're a law student. Kaya mo nang gawa ng paraan yan.
Hello?
Jens, what's wrong? Do you miss Uncle Charlie again? Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't worry, just, keep in mind that he's sacrificing a lot for you. Para mabili mo lahat ng gusto mo.
Do you like my bag? I'm selling it.
Oh, okay, yeah, I like it, but I have to ask permission to my mom before I buy anything expensive. Why? Why do you need the money? maybe you should ask Uncle Charlie. I'm pretty sure he won't say no to you.
Sabi nila nakakatulong daw ang apple juice sa pag-review.
Why are you being nice to me?
Alam mo, Yana, kahit na nakahiya mo ako sa mga sosyal mong kaibigan, kaibigan pa rin ang turing ko sa'yo. Ano ba yung binabasa mo?
I need some loophole para matakasan ko yung pagbabayad ng isang gamit na binenta ko, okay? Nagwawala si Zach. Peke pala yung relo ni Dad.
Anong sabi ng tatay mo?
Pwede bang wag mo muna akong pakialaman, okay? Unless you have 400,000 with you?
400,000? Mukha ba ako may ipon? Pero, sige. Teka. May naisip ako. Pwede kang tulungan magkapera.
Ano?
Dito.
Dito? Saan?
Pwede kita ipasok dito as waitress. Opening kami ngayon eh. Sakto.
Waitress?
Alam mo, kahit waiter lang ako dito, ayos ang sweldo ko. At saka maraming customer dito malalaki mag-tip. Mapipera eh.
Wala akong alam sa pag-waitress, okay? Can you just please leave me alone?
Ako na pala tumatambay, Ana. Bakit ka na kasi pumupunta sa bistro eh? Bakit? Iwasan mo ba ako?
I just don't.
Asan yung pera ko?
Sakto lang pa kasi yung bayad sa akin, but...
Damn it, Yana!
Talaga ako siniseryoso, no? Siguro naman yan, seryosohin mo na ako.
Sorry. I just need time. I just need time. I promise I will bring it back, okay?
Siguraduhin mo. Hindi ka lang sa utang mapapaw.
I really don't know what happened, Inspector. Maybe it was an accident or maybe someone caused the fire. Pero kung merong mangnanadya ng sunog, dapat managot sila. Dura like said Lex. The law is harsh, but it is the law.
Yeah. How was it?
I think it went well. I just told him about the fire sa gym and wala naman din akong kilalang may galit kay Zach, so...
Pwede na to tayo umuwi?
Yes, please. I can't be seen here. Gosh.
I guess.
Ano? Punta na ako dyan, ha?
Inspector, may problema ba?
May bagong development sa kaso.
Ano po nangyari?
Zach Zamora is dead. Hindi na to arson case. Isa na tong murder investigation. Excuse me.
What happened to Zach? Paano siya nasunog? Bakit siya nasunog? Sino gumawa nun? Sino? Who did it? Who did this to my son?
Spontaneous human combustion daw yung cause of death niya. Tingin ko yun talaga.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bakit ka nagsasorry? Ano kasalanan mo kay Mr. Zamora?